In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a photo to a frame using Canva in a few simple steps. Whether you're designing a social media post, an invitation, or just playing around with creative ideas, knowing how to neatly place your photos in frames can really elevate your design. Let's dive right in and make your visuals astonishingly appealing. To begin with, open Canva and navigate to your design template, or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you have your design ready on the screen, it's time to look at the various tools available to you. Head over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and look for the Elements tab. This is where you'll find a treasure trove of graphics, shapes, and illustrations that Canva offers to enhance your designs. Now, scroll down within the Elements section until you find the Frames area. If you can't immediately see it, that's all right. It's nestled among the other graphics options. Click on Frames, and you'll notice a wide variety of shapes and styles available. It's quite tempting to stop at the first few appealing options, but I encourage you to click on See All. This will give you a complete view of the diverse range of frames Canva has to offer. At this point, you have the freedom to get creative. Whether you want a simple rectangle or a quirky, abstract shape, choose the frame that best aligns with your design's theme and aesthetics. Once you've found a frame that resonates with your vision, simply click to add it onto your design canvas. From there, you can adjust its size by clicking and dragging, ensuring that it perfectly fits within your visual plan. With the frame set and looking great, the next step is to add your photo. Navigate back to the toolbar on the left and select the Upload section. Here, you can upload any image from your device that you want to use in your Canva project. Haven't uploaded any images yet? No problem. Click on Uploads, then on the button to upload media, and choose your image file from your computer. Once the image is uploaded, it will appear as a thumbnail in the Uploads section. To place your photo into the frame, simply click on the uploaded image and drag it over to the frame you placed on your canvas earlier. You'll notice that Canva's intelligent design function automatically snaps the image into place within the frame's borders. It really makes the framing process effortless and fun. And just like that, your photo is now beautifully encased in the frame of your choice. You can click on the image if you need to reposition or resize it within the frame, ensuring it's perfectly aligned with your creative vision. This straightforward yet powerful technique is sure to make your Canva designs stand out. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy crafting your next stunning design with this newfound skill.